everyone, welcome to database tutorial. So in today's video we will see what is a show me tab in Tableau desktop and how we can utilize it. So as we can see, currently this is the show me tab, and in this we can see multiple types of charts that are commonly used. So in these chart types, currently no chart type is highlighted because I have not selected any data. As I will select any data, it will highlight those charts which could be made with those columns. So currently I don't have selected any data. Now suppose I want to see region wise sales in this data. So what I will do, I will just select the region column in here. So I will select region column and I will select sales column. So to select multiple columns, here I will press Control key and then I will press another column. So in this way we can select multiple columns in here. So now I have selected region and sales here. Now we will go to show me tab. In the show me tab we can see these all chart types which are highlighted. These could be made with these two columns. So I can use a pie chart. If I will click on a pie chart, I can see it has created a pie chart. It has I am not required to create a pie chart manually. I am just getting it simply by clicking on the pie chart. And if I will click on any other chart, I will simply get that chart also. So suppose from here I am selecting a bar chart. So as you can see, I have got a bar chart here. I can customize this chart according to me. I can add the colors in regions. I can add the labels. I can sort it from descending to ascending. So all the customization I can do with this chart. And the show me tab is really very helpful for me to see that which chart type is most suitable, with which chart type I am easily able to get the insights in this data. So region wise sales in a bar chart I can easily see. Now if I am changing it to a pie chart, so here I can see that all regions are divided among the angles of a pie chart. If I am choosing a tree chart here, I can see that a tree chart has been created with the 4 regions, and west being the highest it is depicting. And I can also choose a bubble chart here. So it is depicted by a bubble chart also. So with this show me tab, it will also save my time for who are new to Tableau. For Tableau beginners, it is a very good tab because from here you can easily create any chart and then you can just see that how this chart is created. And for people who are regular with Tableau, for them also it is very useful because with this show me tab they can easily create any chart and they do not have to waste their time to create the charts manually. They can create the basic chart here and then they can customize it. It is also helpful to choose another type of charts and see that which chart is being the most suitable with this data and which chart is showing me the best way to depict the insights which I want to depict here. So suppose here I have selected the map chart. Map chart is very well depicting me the regions and very well depicting that which region has the highest number of sales. So like this I can consider that which chart to display, and that I can easily do with the show me tab. So that's the use of show me tab, which is a very good feature in Tableau desktop. So do try it, and if you have any queries you can simply ask in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe the channel for more such videos in the upcoming days. Thank you. Take care. Happy learning.